Rollerblade a vert ramp. If you live an active life, you may probably have tried rollerblading and enjoyed. Rollerblading is an exhilarating sport because it lets you try out crazy moves that will wow anyone who sees you doing them. Every inline skater would wish to be able to rollerblade a vert ramp. It is one of the most challenging moves in rollerblading because the angle and the height of the ramp are both dangerous and thrilling. Once complete, rollerblading a vert ramp is truly an accomplishment. If you wish to achieve this, read on below so you can skate that vert ramp excellently. Safety first. Before beginning, you must come prepared with the proper safety gear. Even if you see a lot of people skating without proper gear, don't attempt to do this yourself. You will need to wear a proper helmet, heavy-duty elbow pads and knee pads. You will need all these safety gear since it cannot be avoided. You will fall down a lot while trying out this move. Get these protective gears from your local sporting goods store. You may even wear a mouthpiece if you plan to add some risky moves to your skating. Pick the good kind of inline skates. Because of the height and angle of the vert ramp, you should equip yourself for the rigors of this technique by wearing heavy-duty rollerblades. You will need to speed up when rollerblading the vert ramp, so you need to find skates that can handle the speed. Not to mention, the stress of skating this kind of ramp. Find a pair of rollerblades that have hard, but small wheels and sturdy clasps and bearings. Anything less than this and you might end up ruining your inline skates. Master basic moves first. Before you attempt to ascend a vert ramp, you must first have control of the mini ramps. Practicing on the mini ramp will allow you to get used to skating up ramps with your rollerblades. You will be familiarized with the maneuvering and movement of climbing up and down ramps, and you will have better control of your skating. Make sure that you master the mini ramp first before proceeding to the vert ramps. Begin at the bottom. Once you have learned to master the mini ramps, you can now try the vert ramp. You should start at the bottom of the vert ramp. You must learn the feel of the ramp gradually. Do not get into the ramp from the top, or you will really be overwhelmed with the steepness and the angle of it. Start from the bottom and slowly glide up the ramp, testing the feel of its steepness. From the bottom, skate up towards the sides of the ramp, forcing yourself to speed up gradually as you move back and forth the ramp. When you are comfortable, you may even begin pulling of some minor tricks. Perform the drop-in with conviction. When you attempt to do this, don't chicken out at the last minute. Even if you feel that you are falling or your skates are being pulled away, simply remain confident and complete the drop-in. Stand on the ledge with one foot on it, push with your back leg, then drop using both skates. Remain focused and calm while you are practicing this move. You cannot afford to lose your composure or you will end up losing control and your balance. Get in the groove by listening to music or shutting out all thoughts from your mind.